This is your brain. And this is your brain on screens for 8 hours a day. That's why TeacherGeek created the Combo Kit, the many-in-one kit that'll get your kids and their brains excited to make and learn beyond the screen. TeacherGeek is a build system that pairs with our free educational resources to let you build tons of awesome stuff, like Wigglebots, projectile launchers, rubber band racers, a robot jack to replace the real jack. A what?
Hi, I'm Jack from TeacherGeek. Beep boop. Combo Kits. Combo Kits.
Mini wind turbines, hydraulic claws, braking bridges. And these are just some of the things that you can build with your TeacherGeek Combo Kit. They're packed to the brim with parts, giving you enough components to make each build, plus some extras for your own unique creations. Finished making? Think again. TeacherGeek offers challenge scenarios and videos to get kids engaged, as well as optional labs to get them exploring the science and math behind their creations, which they can then use to make their designs even better. And because there's no perfect design, kids are never done making. TeacherGeek and Combo Kits make for happy brains no matter where you are. Learn more or get your very own Combo Kit at TeacherGeek.com. It's a no-brainer.